In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a weekly schedule in Google Calendar. Whether you're looking to organize your personal life, manage work tasks, or juggle multiple responsibilities, Google Calendar provides a seamless way to keep track of it all. Let's dive right in. Grab your device and open up your web browser. To begin, navigate to the Google Calendar website. Simply type Google Calendar into your search engine and click on the official link in the search results. Now, you should find yourself at the Google Calendar main page. If you're not already logged into your Google account, you'll be prompted to do so. Enter your email address and click Next. Then type in your password and click Next again. It's important to ensure you're logged in with the account where you want to create your schedule. With that done, it's time to set up your calendar tailored specifically for your weekly planning. Look for the Other Calendars section on the left side of the screen. You'll see a small plus sign next to it. Go ahead and click on that plus sign, and from the drop-down menu, select Create New Calendar. This will direct you to a new page where you'll be asked to enter a title for your calendar. Be specific and concise, for instance, weekly plan or work schedule. Once you've entered your desired title, hit Create Calendar to save your new calendar. Return to the main calendar view by clicking on the arrow in the upper left corner. Now you're all set to populate your calendar with events. At the top of the screen, you'll see a Create button. Click on it, and from the options provided, select Event. A dialog box will appear where you can input the details of your event. Important elements to fill out include the event title, date, and time. Make sure to double check the date and time to align with your weekly schedule. After filling in the necessary information, click on the Save button to add the event to your calendar. It's that simple. Repeat this process to input more events, ensuring that each event is scheduled for the appropriate date and time. As you continue to build out your calendar, it will start to take shape, providing you a comprehensive view of your week. And just like that, you've successfully set up a weekly schedule on Google Calendar. Remember that you can always go back and edit events if your plans change, or if you need to update any details. With Google Calendar's features, you can share your calendar with others, set reminders, and even integrate it with other apps and devices. Organizing your life has never been easier. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling.